dress the pork with. Olive oil on top. Salt. Quite a fragrant broth. Want to mix this? Chef, you got. Oh, look at that. See? We make in house, especially for this dish. This is our best seller with the egg yolk. Now 2 plates. We have a nice piece of cod. We season a little bit. Now here goes the lemon. Refresh the flavor to make it a little bit better. So this is the mix. This is the base of the bread, cooked bread with mushroom sauce, loads of herbs as well. Sorry?
Phone in the toilet.
Can you leave it there, please? garnish. This is mini king oyster from UK actually. They are very nice. Now it's gonna make a little bit of smoke. So aftertaste. So the yolk is like very gooey in the center. So we start with the egg. The idea is to cover the egg. So then we finish with chili slices on top. A drizzle of olive oil on top. So this is it. This is how we get to the table. But then we there you go. Is that it? I have it.
Tell me you can get it. Or tell me you can get it from
The stock that we keep from cooking the beans and the mushroom stock. So here we start with the base, with the cabbage mix. The cabbage mix, season a little bit of olive oil, a little bit of seeds. And then olive oil, just to give a different flavor from the base. Now we finish with some herbs. This is a mix of coriander and parsley, the same that we have that we use on the base to make the. There you go. A bit of olive.
That's the plumas iberica. We brush it with unto, so pork fat, seasoned with paprika, bay leaf, and garlic cloves. We smoke it first, and then we cook it on a high temperature. A little bit of salt, and a little bit of this red pepper sauce.
For the pluma spice and the Iberico. So yeah.
And then we build this. We put a base, the plate right in the middle, right? It's quite an intense sauce, but I really like it. Got a little bit of. Okay. Okay. Just a little bit over there. A little bit over there. This juice is so nice. I want to keep it. Okay. We go here, the lettuce. This lettuce has really picked up a lot of the roasted pepper flavors and all the beauty. Just dress the pork with. Okay, so you have to make it really, really succulent. It's quite intense and fun. Yummy. There you go. Old school Portuguese, very nice. A lot of love and money. So we start here with a lovely cod stock, and then this is a Cataplana base that we make, which is it's inspired by alhada. So a little bit of white pepper. I like white pepper. It gives a really nice base. A little bit of salt. Okay. The onions, the garlic, the coriander. Then we grate some potato, and this is a lot of coriander, a lot of herbs at the end. So make it really super fragrant, okay? Everything cooking together, but just to bring up the acidity and that consideration and how we do things. So it allows us to actually look at all the elements and separate them and then bring them back together. But try to get an optimum state. So we have to use like nice little potatoes, so we confit them, a little bit of brown butter. So they're really delicious. So you both be able to really, hey, Chicho, I mean, this dish can really make it super delicious, but also make sure we cook it and it's done properly, right? So just submerge it. And then when you close it and let it sit on this, oh, look at that, see? It still has, the time, it still has time to sit and kind of absorb the flavors, but you're giving yourself the chance to make sure that everything that you deliver, everything that comes in, is still cooked properly. So we have a little bit of radish, a little bit of pickled onions, and a little bit of herbs. Okay. We have the leftovers of herbs. Okay. You know, I come in, I change, and I make something happen. But he's the one that makes everything happen every day. So that's this guy over here. This is how it leaves the pass. So we then close it back up, right? Lock it. Gently carry it. I'm gonna go in here. And I like to serve it with a little bit of bread. Just a couple of slices of bread just to dunk into it, depending on.